guys, welcome to another vlog video. I just happened to upload the previous video a little while ago back, and when I took the batteries out and I showed you guys the condition of the batteries and they were so bad. Now, what I happened to discover is that these wires here are also fried. So what I decided to do is I decided to go ahead and replace these with longer wires, longer. Um, Basically, I'm going to replace them, and I had another one. I don't know what the heck happened to it. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and make some fresh ones, and I got some black wire right here. That's all basically I need. And also, I got 6 of these right here, which basically I have a whole box full of them. So I got plenty of them for a long time. So what I'm going to show you is we're going to make 2 long ones and 2 short ones. Now, I'm thinking that the guy actually done it a little bit too less or something, or maybe he didn't do it right. I don't know, but they did look a little bit uneven. So what I'm going to go ahead is I'm going to measure the wire right here. See how much I need to cut and how much I don't need. And basically, I'll just have to cut this in half. There we go. Now we got 2 identical ones right here. So these are almost done. Now the only thing we gotta do now is I got to strip the wire and get off the stuff right here and make sure everything and thread it off through. And I'll have black electrical tape, and I even got my scissors right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some brand new ones. So I'm gonna show you how I'll do that. So now basically these right here, these old ones are just dirty right now. They do need to be cleaned up, but also by seeing right here, there is a little bit of corrosion built up right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just make brand new ones, and maybe I'll get my Dremel tool out and clean them a little bit, maybe off camera to show you guys. Maybe that will do it. But I'm gonna go ahead. I got no wire strips, so I'll have to improvise a little bit. There we go. And there we go, right there. There's 2 of them done. So that's how I basically do it. Now, now I roll these up right here. Thread these through like that. Now, basically, because I really don't have my soldering iron because it's not here yet. So this is what I basically do. I basically just take it, bend it right here like this, wrap it around, get my black electrical tape right here a little bit, open this up a little bit right here. Don't need a lot, just need a little bit. And just tight this through right here, wrap it around just like that right there. Now I gotta make 6 of these, so I'm gonna show you guys after, because that took a little bit of time for me to do. I'm gonna go ahead and just finish this up for you guys on camera. That way you guys can know like how to do this. Like if you don't have a soldering iron, which I don't have one right now because it still hasn't arrived yet. Kind of sucks, but oh well. Also, to answer some of you guys' question right now, why am I still wearing the same shirt that I've been wearing a couple of previous videos. Well, the reason why, because I just make a whole bunch of them, store them for a little bit, and basically like today is Monday. I probably won't upload this till next Monday, but there we go. Now we have another one like this, a little bit more cleaner, a little bit more longer, just like that. Set that aside. I'm gonna go ahead and make the others. Okay, guys, I actually got that. I actually got the new ones pretty much done right now. So these are nice and clean now. They're perfect. They're brand new. But also off camera, I happen to grind the crap out of these right here with my Dremel tool. I mean, you can really tell from the old from the new. I mean, they look a lot more better. I mean, oh, come on, focus. But basically, that's what they look like now. This is why this ground, this one I didn't ground. So basically, you see that right there. So, also with me grinding it, it kind of got really thin a little bit down at the edges. So what I decided to do, I decided just not to use these until like last, like maybe like a backup or something. But I got brand new ones right now. Just got them done. I even print out a nice little diagram of a 48 volt battery 4-way. So basically, if you guys want to take a look at this right here and screenshot that, you can. You got the 24 volt. You have a 636 volt battery, and there's the 48 volt battery, which I will need. So basically, this is battery pack wiring directions. Now, I was taking a look at this. Now, actually, I was taking a look at this right here, and what the pictures was when I did it last, before I took all the batteries out, and I just happened to made something. He actually had them wired the wrong way, so that's why both of them. That's why none of them weren't even getting no power, and why they decide not to work no more. So basically, what I decided to do is I decided to just wire up my own way, follow these directions right here. This right here will help, and hopefully next time when I get the new batteries, they will not be like this. But I got 3 new cables. I'm not gonna worry about using these no more, but I will keep them just in case. I mean, they do still have power on them, but I did happen to get rid of the corrosion. But when I took a look at more on these, they actually do have more corrosion on them. So basically on every single one. So I decided and plus, I mean, that's just garbage. So I'm just not going to worry about using them anymore. I got brand new ones just made. Don't have to worry about that now. So I hope you guys like this video. And don't forget to hit subscribe. And also, you guys are probably wondering why my computer is on, because I just got done printing this out right now. And I have been working on Doom Eternal right now. It's in the works. So basically, more pages are going to be available for download on the Doom group, on the Doom book group that I happen to made. I will leave a link down below if you guys want to join. It's free, 100% free. You don't have to worry about paying no subscription. You can go in there, and if you find if you have a picture of a demon or whatever, or a new character they actually put in there, you can put it on there. I'll screenshot it and put it right into the book, and there we go. That'll be a lot easy for everybody. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.